Billy Nitro. What's up, guys? Got a little RC goodies unboxing to do today. As you can see by the title, we have a MyLaps unboxing to do here. So let's get to it. I got some other stuff too. I got some tires to unbox. Let's get to this first. If you're going to race, you got to have one of these. So this is kind of what kept me away from the track last year, as I hadn't ordered one of these yet. So we finally have it. They did the open season race, the home opener at my local track this morning. Still racing as we speak. Rainy day, so I didn't go over there. Here we are, MyLaps Transponder Black Edition. I got the black one, got the new, this is the hybrid. I figured I'd go ahead and spend the extra coin on the newest, latest edition of these. This is not the 3-wire, this is the 2-wire. And I got the black one so it'll blend in on the car, and we may just go ahead and put that in the car and see what it looks like. I'm not fully install it, but mount it up in there and see what it looks like. But let's unbox it, see what we got going on here. Sweet little rig here. There, it's got our slides out of the mount here. You can buy multiple mounts to switch your transponder back and forth if you have different cars that you race. Pops in and under that. That's how that works. Let's check out the instructions first. We'll throw it in the car and see what it looks like. There's the sticker. They say not to mount these on top of, like on your servos, which is kind of obvious, but not to mount these on your servos or on the aluminum, on your chassis or carbon fiber chassis and everything like that, because it can mess with the signal. Well, there's some instructions. Yeah, I can read those to you. What do you think about those? Oh yeah, that should tell me everything. Instructions. I'll put a link to this A-Main. I bought this from A-Main, so I'll put a link to this one in the description here, so you guys can go check that out if you're researching on these or looking to buy one or whatever. So I've never installed one, but I'm sure it's not that hard. So let's see what it looks like in the car here. Oh, by the way here, got some new tires. Still waiting on the rims to get here. I bought some new AKA rims. Got some zips. Soft long wear. Got the new zips there. Got the red inserts. My track here is hard packed clay, so probably should get the black inserts. Might work a little better. It's a covered track. It's outdoor, but it's a covered, so no rain gets to it. And that's usually, last year they put a compound on it to harden it up, but I think they're just running dirt this year and keeping it wet. There's the AKA zips. So be mounting those up in the next couple of days, so I may do a video on that, gluing these up. Got a few more other things coming in, so we can get to the racetrack in style. Let's check this MyLaps out here. So the black, this is smaller than the older ones. I think it weighs like 4 grams. black will blend in better than the red ones. Nice clean look to it there. Let's get you zoomed in there. I'm not going to put this I'm not going to completely install this, but we'll mount it up. For you fellas, and let you take it out. Take a look at it. I've got the diffs out of the car right now, as you can see. Got the diffs out. We'll be doing these on video. I'm going to crack the diff open for the first time on camera. Do a little diff maintenance. Got one of them open already, and everything looked pretty good in there. I was quite surprised about how well the fluid looked in it after almost 2 gallons. You're supposed to change your diff fluid on your new diffs after an hour of runtime. Around about an hour is what they say. Mine's probably a little over that. V3 has a nice little mounting system for this. If you don't run a transponder and you don't race, you can put one of those digital on and off switches, but I tend to just do I'm just running the little Fataba. But if you're racing, a lot of people that race rather just plug and play, just X out the on and off switch, because that's a failure point. It's the last thing you want when you're racing on the track, is your on and off switch to give you issues. There we go. That's what she looks like mounted up there. Nice clean once these wires get all tucked away. That's a clean install right there. What you guys think about that? I think it looks better than a big red one sitting there. So very nice. Well, guys, that's just a little unboxing video. I want to do nothing special. I may do a video when I actually install it and do the wires and everything. I mean, it's just a plug-in, a wire, so it's nothing major. But it's a good reason to do a video. That's going to do it for this one, guys, and stay tuned. We'll be cracking the diffs open. Haven't opened this one yet, so we're going to open this on camera, and we're going to put some fluid in them. Well, guys, catch you on the next video. Hillbilly Nitro over and out of here, guys. Peace.